Hello, and welcome to The Blind Kitchen. I'm Deborah Erickson, the executive chef and founder, and in this episode, I'm going to tell you about liquid alert tools, two different kinds that we have on the Blind Kitchen website. What a liquid alert is a tool that sounds an alarm or makes a vibration, letting the cook with vision loss know that the liquid they're pouring into the vessel is nearing the top of the glass. The liquid alerts found in the Blind Kitchen are exactly alike in terms of their physical size. They have a 9-volt battery in a case, and then they have wires that hang over the front of it. And those wires are going to hang on the edge of the cup. The battery is going to be on the outside. The way these alarms work is that when the liquid rises in the cup and makes contact with the wires that are hanging over the side, it'll emit a tone letting the cook with vision loss know that they're nearing the top of the glass without needing to put your finger in it or to listen. One model, which I'll demonstrate first, emits a tone, and in fact it emits 2 tones. If you get too high to the top, there's a 3rd wire and it'll go louder and faster. The other model vibrates, so it's a more subtle way of letting the cook know that the liquid is nearing the top. So I have a work tray in front of me with 2 glasses of ice waiting for lemonade. I'm going to start by describing the liquid alert that it does sound. I'm going to pour the liquid, and when it hits the bottom of it, be prepared, you're going to hear an alert, and then I'm going to stop. So I'm lifting up the pitcher of lemonade. I'm reaching over to the drink to know where I'm at. Now I'm gonna there. Now I've hit that bottom one, so I'm gonna go quickly again. It's gonna hit this 3rd short one, and it's gonna be louder. It's really gonna tell me to stop. So did you see the change in tone? Now I'm gonna do you a favor and take that one off. And now I'm going to switch the glasses, and I'm going to let you experience the vibrating one. It does not have a 3rd wire. It'll only vibrate when it hits those bottom 2 wires. So you still have a little bit of room after you feel it vibrate. So I'm picking up the pitcher. I'm making sure that it's lined up with the cup, and I'm going to start pouring. You can hear the vibrate, but you can see it's much more subtle than the other one. So that's what the liquid alerts are for, to help the cook with vision loss know when their drink is getting to the top without having you put your fingers into a hot liquid or into the drinks of friends or family that you're serving your drink to.
The Blind Kitchen logo appears. Fade to black. Neo Creative Productions logo appears. The logo fades to black.